Hey guys, welcome to Prime Pip FX where we teach how to trade safely, not how to gamble. Today, I am going to teach you about a very simple topic about MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 or how to actually execute trades. There are several different things you can do to while taking a trade. You can put a stop, buy limit, sell limit, and there are two advanced buy stop limit and sell stop limit. So we would not waste our time. Let's bring you to the real. What is buy stop limit? To understand this, imagine market was gone above and is right here, trading here. And you have marked a potential resistance down here, this area. And now you want market to come down, hit this area and go up toward your TP. So placing order down here at a resistance where market is previously trading above their level and you want market to come down, touch your level and go up. This is called buy limit. Then we have sell limit. In sell limit, market was bearish and now trading here. This is same a resistance or support or something you have marked an FPG or even a or block whatsoever, and you want market to go hit this and then go down. So this is called sell limit. In buy limit, you want market to come down and hit a certain level and go up. But in sell limit, you want market to go up, hit a certain area and then come down. This is called sell stop and sell limit and buy limit. Now we will move to a little advanced word than buy limit and sell limit is buy stop. Buy stop is market is moving this area and there is a key resistance like this above it when market is like doing this ranging, and you have placed an order above this like if market broke this resistance you will enter a buy position. This is called buy stop. And in sell stop, market is ranging between a resistance and support, and you have marked a certain area and you want market to break below this. As market break below this you enter your sell here and market will lead your TP. This is called buy stop and sell stop. There is an advanced thing also here which is called buy stop limit and sell stop limit and sell stop limit. In buy stop limit you have the same like market is ranging beneath this and you have marked the resistance above it and you want to mark it to close above this. Once it closed your buy stop order is activated, but in this advanced move you have marked an SL also at the same time. In one order you have placed your order and SL also, so your SL will be around like this below this, and you want to market to go up, but if market come down here your buy stop order will be cancelled, your SL will hit. This is an advanced form. Same in sell stop, sell stop limit. In sell stop limit, market is ranging above this level and you have marked a level here. If it broke down you entered a sell in a sell position, but you have marked an stop loss at this high. If market goes above this your order will be cancelled. So now market, if market come here your stop loss will hit, or if market go down here your order is already been executed and you will hit your TP. So this was a very simple video on buy stop limit, sell stop limit, buy stop, sell stop, buy limit and sell limit. Again, we are teaching you from very basic to advanced of SMC smart money concept, from technical to fundamental and chart reading, including Fibonacci and a lot of other tools. If you want to join our paid course, you can contact us on WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching this, and please subscribe us here.